Hey guys, what's up and welcome back at Spicy C once again. Here I am to show you another item guys. So this is how I make my videos. I do not want to waste an extra more time. So going forward to the product that I want to review today is the top that I'm wearing. So I purchased this top from the Colaba market, that's a Crawford market. This is a formal kind of top. Okay, it has a zipper here. I'm not opening the zip right now. Okay, it has a zipper here that you can open the zip. And also, okay, I'll just show you a bit. It has a zipper here. And also, I love the neckline. This is a very formal top with a cute, small diamond kind of glitter that is very simple when you want to wear a very simple outfit for your events or any formal events. So this is a half sleeves kind of top. The back is totally a plain size. So I paired it with my hairband that's in yellow and also the beautiful earrings which I purchased them too from the Colaba market. I bought this pair of earrings for 100 each. So it has a diamond and it has a hook behind where you need to attach it. So I really paired it with this hairband. It's a fur kind of hairband where it has a cute a bow with a rose and also pearls on it. Okay, which gives this hairband a good look. So I bought them in variety. I love the formal top. It has no inner lining and it's a thick top. It's a slim fit top. Okay, not too thick, not too thin, very comfortable. You can wear this for any formal outings or events that you have. And if you do not want to wear an inner lining, that's not a problem. Okay, I like to wear it like this. That's how I paired it today, just with my earrings and the hairband. So guys, there's something more that I want to share with you today. So I bought this in colors. This is in yellow. So I purchased them in pink. It's a baby pink color. And this is also having the same pearls and roses with a bow on it. And this is a very cute kind of hairband guys. It's very soft and easily, so you can easily wearable. It has no it's very comfortable. There's no problem when you remove it or fix it back. So it's very easily you can remove them. It's very comfortable in wearing. So I pair it with my formal outfits. So I bought them in colors like baby pink, but it's having a stitch here. This is the second one in beauty red. Wow, I really love this red color guys. And it has the same kind of design and pattern with cute pearls and rose on it, the same stitch at the back. So I use this for my party wear, for my event or formal wear. So this is how I match my outfits with the accessories that I purchased today. Not less but not the least, I have something more to share with you. I purchased a hairband where I'm doing my makeup. So this is very easily wearable, stretchable. It has a good elasticity and I love the rainbow color. It has got multicolor like blue, baby pink and baby blue, which gives this hairband a good look. I did not want the bow, so I removed the bow. So I wear this and I'm normally washing my face or doing my makeup. And when I'm not going anywhere out, this is very comfortable to wear at my house. And also guys, I also purchased these two hairbands, okay, from Crawford Market itself. I got two of them for 50 rupees. Sorry about the noise. So I love fur. So if you are a very fond of fur, these are the items that you can purchase, which is very trending nowadays in the market. So guys, this is a cute hairband. It's a polka print of hairband that I purchased from the Crawford market. This bow makes it a good to go, a good look, and you can see it has a polka circle with a baby blue, which is so crazy color. I really love the color. It's so tempting color, and it does not have um, edge, some edges of the hairband gives it hurts, or it gets stuck on your hair. So they do not have that. They are very comfortable. I love the edges, which is very smooth and very flexible, and you can wear them at any point of time, the same like how I wear them. So this is a hairband that I purchased from Crawford Market. I wear them anytime. It makes me feel at ease. So I bought this baby blue color. Wow, seriously guys. And the same color I purchased in baby pink and a mix of white in it. Let me show it to you. I have a lot of accessories guys, seriously. If you come in my wardrobe, you'll have a variety of them, but I'll definitely share them with you one day. This is a baby pink and white mix in color, and this hairband is so cute. I really love the color, and the edges are so beautiful. It does not hurt me at all. They're so comfy, that's why I buy them. I do not buy hairbands with the edges that have, you know, close on the edges. It hurts me, and also it gets entangled with my hair whenever I try to remove them off. I guys, so I guess girls or women, you must have faced the same issue whatever I faced. That's the reason I choose to buy the hairband with a free stitch with no edges, that is closed with no edges. So they are very flexible and you can wear them easily, and it does not hurt you. You can wear them anytime. So this is a bow that is attached to it. It's the same like the baby pink, and it gives a good style. I really, wow, it is so soft. And if you want to wash them, okay, you can just mild wash them, hand wash them. That's how I do. So you can do. And if you wash this also, you can put it in a washing machine. Okay, I've tried this in the washing machine and it's a good to go. So this is how it looks after the wash. There's no color that's faded. It has a natural color. So guys, these are the products what I loved sharing with you today. I'm very happy to show you my stuff. And guys, if you're crazy for my next video, don't forget to stay tuned and on Spicy, and also keep on loving me and give me all your love and share all your thoughts. What do you feel about my channel? Take care guys. See you next time. Meet you. Bye bye.